Okay, exactly one. I could blew up one tire with this tire inflator after I fixed my compressor, and then I found it like this. The nozzle broke off, so we'll see if we can get a shabby repair on this one. New one costs me about 20 euros, so it's a good idea to fix it. Okay, we'll get this nozzle out. And we'll cut the hose, see if we can find a matching one. And otherwise we'll see if we can repair it. There. Snapped right off. Let me see if we can. I'll just cut it off. Can be a little bit shorter. Okay. Okay, let's see if we got a thing that matches this clamps. This is the same size. Fits right in. Easy does it. This one's got a O-ring that will seal it off. I'm not going to bother to make it extra clean. I'll just turn this one in. Get the ear clamp. This is an ear clamp. That's very handy because you don't get hurt when you use a normal hose clamp. You get sharp edges on it. So push it right over, and let's orientate this one so it's. I'll leave it on top. That's good. And clamp the ear clamp. I'll get my pincers to clamp the ear clamp. That's the proper way to do it. Just a little pinch here, and a little pinch here, and a little pinch here. There we go. All set, ready to go. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, there are no small jobs. There are no small repair jobs. On the first attempt to blow up a tire, the inner lining of the tube just got ripped out of the hose. And as you can see, I probably didn't place the ear clamp on the most strategic place, so I'll cut off another piece and we'll put another ear clamp a little bit higher up the hose, closer to the connector. I'll cut off another piece and I'll clear this side. Next ear clamp. I think I'll put just a regular hose clamp over here. Well, we'll try it one more time. Okay, completely over, and I'll put the clamp closer to the edge. See if it holds. Clamp it maybe a little bit tighter. Doesn't get any tighter than this. otherwise I'll cut the ears off. Okay, good to go.